we are an engineering company who likes to think about trucks that others doesn't even think about. We like to build lighthouse projects.
Electromobility in the private car transport is booming, and also in the commercial vehicle sector we see a rapidly accelerating movement toward low and no emission vehicles, be it battery, electric or fuel cell vehicles.
Sustainability is the biggest challenge of our times, and at DPD Group we are pioneering a truly sustainable business.
This truck, especially this one, is a long-range truck, a unique truck. It's the first in the world to have this world record.
The Conti EfficientPro, which was used for the world record attempt, is specially designed for long-distance application. That means good wet handling and braking performance and especially low rolling resistance.
Investing in e-mobility is the logical consequence for a company like DPD touching the lives of millions of people each and every day.
Our objective is to design tires that are the best match for new sustainable drives without any compromise in safety, efficiency and environmental aspects.
Operating the first European long-distance electric truck in Switzerland is a first but very important step towards our future. Because wherever we live on Earth, we all share the same address.
We are proud that through our cooperation with Futuricum and DPD Switzerland, we have been able to show that alternative drives already work in the commercial sector today.